Hey guys, so today I've got this girl who is my friend, well, going to be, and whoops, she is actually famous on YouTube, so go and follow her guys because she deserves to be she deserves to be checked out, and yeah, she's just amazing. Yeah, so this is her channel, and like, and look how much money she gave me, like, and this is the house she's making me. I am so happy. So, and say hi, and say hi. So say hi. So guys, I'm really tired, and yeah, that means I have to. Whoops. So yeah, um, so her name is right here. I can't follow her because right now she has too many friends, but she did say that she will unfollow them, and okay, my bill just automatically paid there. But here's a little place where we can dance. I hope you understand. Love is on like with my friend. But yeah, I'm going to show your house. I'll show them your house. Shh, they don't no. Okay, they don't know. Okay, so I don't know how old she is, but this is her house, guys. Right here. This is her house. Like right here. She deleted it because she wanted me to have a house. Like, I had a house, but I don't know. I asked her to, like, can you make me a house? And she just went, like, gone crazy. And, like, guys, let's quickly watch one of her videos right now. It's like, she's built her up, like, look at this. Look at it. Just look at it. Like, she's actually amazing. I don't know what kind of, like, this is her right now, I think. I'm not sure. No, it's not her. Okay. But, like, she's just crazy. It's just like giving me a lot of money, and like she's already gave me like how much? £16, £36, guys. She's giving me £36. God's sake! Right now I'm watching one of her videos as well, but okay, sorry. I know, right? I love it. I literally love it right now. It's so amazing. I've gone hyper. I don't know what to do, but I'm just crying right now inside. Okay, let's put. You are so lucky, lol. was. I can't spell, guys. This. I wasn't even expecting this. I can't spell. Wait, guys, I'll be right back. I just need to go to the bathroom as well. So I'm in one of her videos. Okay, sorry guys. So my friend is here and she's still making my house, and she's donated me some more money as well. Yes. You actually serious? YouTube. I'm making a video. Me and Evelina share one. Wait, guys. Okay, I told her, guys. But my computer. This. Oh, do you wanna know what? It's this thing called a screen recorder on a computer, and it's for free.
I thought you were using it for cameras.
No, I can't yet because my cousin has to help me with something. Why did I say oh? Okay. I love it. Shoot, my computer's overheating. No, it's not. My computer never overheats. I don't know why. Yeah. I love it. I'm glad you do. LOL. Okay, I need help. Wait, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, but guys, I'll be back when she has done with the house. Peace out, guys. No. Guys, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I went off the game by accident. Shoot. Please say she's here. Please, please, please. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Are you like friends on Roblox?
I'm following her. Oh my god, I'm actually following her. Oh my god. No, she has to add me as a friend.
I'm laughing right
Ha ha ha, very funny. Idiot. You're laughing right now, but I'm dying.
now. You're saying that if I went
Didn't even put any lights in the lounge in the kitchen. Why are all the lights, miss? Hello, miss? Where did the lights gone? Where did all the lights go? Oh my god, it's actually a bedroom. I'm still gonna cry. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end it here, and hopefully she does answer my hopefully she does answer my request, so then she can carry on with the house. So she's on so many bedrooms though. Oh, she hasn't even finished decorating them as well. Why do I have so many bedrooms? Where's my bathroom? Holy smokes, the bathroom is amazing. Okay, guys, see you later, and I will try to carry on with the house, hopefully. But yeah, so I will probably add some lights as well, so I'll make another video of that. But bye, peace out.